Welcome back guys to another interesting video. In this video, I will provide you with a game turbo which will help you to increase the gaming FPS and performance of Android. So let's get started. Guide: first download the game booster from the description. After downloading it, install it. After the installation, open the app. You will see a lot of options to increase gaming FPS and performance of Android. Follow me as I am doing and get the maximum FPS in any Android. If this game booster worked for you, so don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.